was what you 60% inti amfa ne nkodi omo be di nsem hunu fie nwotwe ko ye MPP for sabe so man no omo sabe di sa na da akro no ene ba ne omo dia betena kunya no so ene ne nyambransem ne niam ensem fata na wo mudi na asa na admit sese wo bo voice bi na cancel obi awie o man sika was what you 60% inti amfa ne nkodi Dr. Comrade Fodi. Not as I said, the gospel according to Dominic Anini. Say, we are manisi cannot meet 60% here. Then, of our Huakudi. It is a Yamia, $20 million, or manisi came out to me far. And one say, over to 12 million, I'm more minor, not 8 million, or sika. And the operation recover all loot, no. He said, yeah, I am your mammy, I operation recover half loot. And at your Mahama so no, and then na 20 general so acquire operation clear all looters. They say there's the
operation clear all NDC looters.
Good. The NDC looters now we are who son sabrobe. We MPP need and look and Rami can send me na and Rami we minya feedback be bring. Say NPP and Penny for and our former appointees of the Kufado government are AD Yoko Akwaneaba. No more CID, no more NIB, no more special prosecutor. No, and Yasam Ketua. A man for Babon na ultimate meeting bill condition. No, she would no be a nyawe because of course, say be a big good anymore. Say a best any dean. Intinona or Shahodina. Keep quiet and suffer. No,
yeah. In fact, a man for go through a lot. Na Osha MPP for choir Omodio Monamswa. And now come I do for 10 Sikano. A year 5.7 billion. And yes, 60%. That's where I even doubt say 60% in the
Omobwa. 60%.
Me
now this woman to me can say, O Matete, Womusika, the Akuguan, so no more. Me, this is for Canocre. You know, a baby call her crown. Not a my 10% a bar 60%. There's over 2 billion free. Oh,
2 billion.
A man is sick
over 2 billion.
Or this are free.
Obedi free.
Oh, Sammy, this is man. Now, Muya, we are. Yami, and now Catholic Bishop Conference. Mr. Sir, you might never better late than never be too late. And for so be any so. Because, and yet, and I don't Mahama tune and see Chief Justice so. Yatra how kind Catholic Bishop Conference, Moncasa, Catholic Bishop Conference, Moncasa. More time, Mamma, me by a press conference. A quiet modern famu, Moti, Monfi. Mammy call ECOWAS court. Moti, Monfi, and they be a druno. I didn't say mo. You be a no amber bet me as a semi be and see, my woman I too late and Faswa Maso. Maybe before for can, Emsamo can bebuamo. Na say Chief Justice asem no de mo atra ha ye hwe ha Amajo Mahama etima ye ne de say je we Ghana for support no if say obi ansori anka sentia say de we ye ne nye nti ne ya wadu point of no return no mo be ka bibia emfa we aye court akira bubu emfa so obi eni so ye besere mo na sam say enema bi koso a entem no na mo asetre naka mo ntimi anka na jinsemu dia mo nka mo anuntum na afi ye mfa ne saa ne ehunu se Ghana ha no se Joma ama ne ndisi fo ye bibia ye no bi obeka bia mayen na ye tie baby
o ka ma ase
ye nua
na bokode
na weti ase
le Nyankopon ase
ya ji atumu se nu na ya asenso de de ma party no ne ye kira ne se kina hu so obi na mabonten no de sa colors na se sa eniama miensen symbol na se ye moto na se ye bibi di agro wa bonten a party no betumi take legal action etia no me ma example ye call 2024 election ye nkwaku manu a obeye content bi a o yusu ye colors no a o di ye content ye gidi say e atem de die de mayen what you say but na ke be take legal action but na sa time no na sa colors ni ye we ni ye constitution mu enti na ye ntumi enclaim as our bona fide property but se sia ye dia komunom ye de be kon ya kwakwa register as a trademark na ba be ye yendia. So we have right on it. It will be used now when you soon we can take legal action, and that is why ye de call say as a first motion no yen tum na yen fanhye yen constitution mu ye kan ye no mo ho nyina no edi tu mu say no kre yen fanhye yen constitution mu. So as I speak with you now, the color red, white, blue, the symbol elephant, and then the motto development in freedom. Yeah, they say your constitution more obia entumi ensesa and obia entumi mfa ya ade asebe oni ho kwan. All right, yanko number 2.
Okay, medasi. So, article 3 clause 7 armed
Baby, amend.
Sorry,
Yeah.
catch me. Amend article 3 clause 7 of the constitution to give the power to recommend suspension of a member or an officer, an office holder pending disciplinary action against him to appropriate disciplinary committee rather than the executive committee. I say the second one, the amendment is necessary to ensure justified suspension of party executive elected and appointed by executive committee only upon recommendation by the disciplinary committee pending disciplinary proceedings against such officer or officers. It is disciplinary committee that shall recommend suspension having regards to its preliminary findings.
Okay, so we so na ye ken nyina ne say so wo be hwe nyama e course so even ye to abawie ye nkrofo nsem mo ka wa bonten ye te say owusu bempa aboa papon ebe keka bi Eugene Boachi entry ono so ye to aba obe keka bi abronye ye so aba keka nsem ono so be keka bi party nkrofo a na mo keka nsem na party dey we be to abonten say ceasefire ye de letter ba omuntie Obesha, you recommending most of them at the connect, and I don't call disciplinary committee. But at the back one there, what they say previously, no, say you don't call disciplinary committee now. That's what cry your findings new year. I was almost in the call executive council, NEC, non-NEC, inside etna so eshemuna or then pronounce suspension and answer punishment at the mouth. Now, constitution way no amendment nature say this time around. Say ya the woko disciplinary committee a ho na ye betumi agina so ne ya suspend o krampo ansana ya dia connect